Hi everyone, welcome to the home bartending by Patch Maureen. Actually, this one is not my first trip, but it's gonna be my first one that I put it on YouTube channel. So if you like it, please subscribe it at the end. And I promise that I will find the easy recipe that you can make your own home cocktail, home bartending at home. Since now we still in the quarantine, so it's gonna be get something fun to make your own cocktails since we cannot go out to the bar. Yes, so today cocktail is about celebration tomorrow on the 5th of May. So every year on the 5th of May in Mexico and in United States they celebrate the day. This is called Cinco de Mayo. Help me if you think that I pronounce this wrong. I'm not really sure, but I'm pretty sure it's called Cinco de Mayo. It's the day that they celebrate the victory over France. That's been like 18 something years ago. And of course, when Mexican people drink, the spirit that they drink, it has to be what? Tequila. And when you're thinking about a tequila, so what is the drink in your head? Is just come into the first one. So yes, it's margarita, but I'm not gonna make just the regular one. So everything today that we're gonna use is based on the product of Mexico. So I will use the it's called Yave. I'm pretty sure it's called Yave. Tequila that is made from 100% agave. So this one is quite smooth when you drink as a shot. It's really good. You doesn't feel burn at all in your throat, so it's quite smooth to getting down. So we're gonna use it with that one, and of course the blue agave. And then in my margarita, I'm gonna do it with jalapeno. I cut it already, so it's gonna be spicy margarita with jalapeno. I'll make it short, jalapeno margarita. Okay, ready? So we're gonna make it now. Let's go. Okay, first we start with the jalapeno. So I chop it like in 4 pieces, so it's quite big, so I'm gonna put it in here. And muddle. Okay, if you like it spicy, just muddle it. Okay, yeah, I like it spicy, so I'm gonna do it. Okay. Wow, I can smell it already. Okay. And tequila, 2 ounces. Agave, 25. Blanc, 1. Citrus 75. This is 25 and then another 25. Okay, good. Nice. Okay. Ready? Okay. You get a fake one. Okay, and then I'll be back. Here we go. But actually, you know what? Normally I do it every night so I can get the jalapeno on. Okay, yeah. Wow, looks so green. And then here we go. I forgot to tell you that I rim the salt. See, just only half, and another half is just let it empty, just in case that, when you want it, you don't want it, you can choose. And look, so green. Let's try. Oh my god, it's so good and spicy. Here we go. Happy Cinco de Mayo for tomorrow. Happy celebrating. This year I don't think that we're gonna have any parade or anything out there, but celebrate at home. Enjoy your margarita tequila days. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe at the end. I see you the next one. Take care. Bye.